आज यहाँ पर आई हैं, क्या कुछ फील करते हैं और क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आज की शाम के बारे में?
Well, as being my solo show, as being my solo show, I'm very happy, very glad to be here. As Nana ji and Mishti both have inaugurated my show and made my show a very good success. And paintings, till now, what people are telling me, they're really enjoying. The best part is they are having a good attachment with the painting, which is a very big achievement for an artist rather than anything, because one-to-one connection painting के साथ होनी चाहिए. मेरी तो है, लेकिन जो भी viewer है उन पे भी होती है. So it's a very good achievement which I'm getting, and I'm really happy for it. I'd like to thank you Nana ji and Mishti to be a part of it, and thank you so much to be here.
मिष्टी, हमने देखा बहुत ही ध्यान से आप सारी पेंटिंग देख रही थी। कौन कौन सी पेंटिंग आपको बहुत पसंद आई और
Actually, I think there's a common thing about all her paintings. I think it has an aura about it that connects to the universe. That's a very important thing. Although I am not, I don't have much knowledge about abstract art, but I think it's very easy to connect with her colors, the way she has presented it, the way she has drawn it. I think there's something that will automatically attract you to it. It's very alluring, so I feel really honored to be present here. It's a great piece of art.
और तो हमने सुना है कि आपको भी पेंटिंग का बहुत शौक है और आप भी बहुत सारी पेंटिंग करती हैं इस तरह की।
मुझे पेंटिंग का शौक है. As such, I'm just an amateur painter. I draw just for the satisfaction of my soul. I think she also does the same, but then she is a very big painter. तो मैं बस कभी-कभी जब मुझे वक्त मिल जाता है तो I draw something.
और एक कंपटीशन होने वाला है बिकॉज ऑल्सो ये बहुत ही अच्छी पेंटर है।
No, but I have to be safe because she's not an abstract artist, so it's okay. We'll be having a good connection.
दोनों आर्टिस्ट यहाँ नहीं, मैं तो खाली इनको ब्लेसिंग देना चाहूँगा और मिस्टी जी को ब्लेसिंग देना चाहूँगा कि दोनों ही आर्टिस्ट है, पर वो आर्टिस्ट जो है वो अपनी जगह पे है और ये आर्टिस्ट जो है अपनी जगह पे। ये एक्टिंग में करते और वो अपने देखिए उनके सारे कलर्स आपको दिखेंगे जो कैनवस पे डाल के रखे हुए हैं, और वो उन्होंने सारा जो चीज़ देख रहे हो आप ओम के ऊपर किया हुआ है। और आप पेंटिंग को अंदर की तरफ उसको देखोगे तो आपको ओम की पूरी कायनात मिलेगी आपको। हाँ, ओम को देखो आप, पेंटिंग के अंदर खाली एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मत देखो, उसके अंदर जो चीज़ बनाई है उसको भी देखो। तो ये मैं मिस्टर जी को बताना चाहूँगा कि खाली एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नहीं है, उसके अंदर ओम है जो आपको आपके अंदर
I have noticed every painting you will find a om somewhere. I think it has got a very, I think there's a lot of depth in her paintings. That's what I felt.
ओके, ऑल्सो आपके कलेक्शन को यहाँ पर तो क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल
I'm so glad that she's wearing this outfit of mine, you know, because it also really matches with the surrounding, the kind of paintings that she has. And she's a great example. I think she's very dignified, very graceful, you know, girl. And, you know, there is so much beauty that lies in her. So I'm very, very happy that she's wearing Harsha's creation and has come to, you know, be here at this fantastic exhibition. I loved each piece here, I think. And so the muse and the painting, everything is just matching very well. It's very nice.
you like Krupa's painting because different
Krupa's painting, what I loved the most is that profoundness that she has. It's very, very deep. It has a lot of depth and meaning, as Mishti said. And it's, you know, very versatile. I think from one painting to another painting, when you move, it's not static, it's not boring. There is so much to every painting. So I think that's the sign of a true artist, which Krupa already has. So we are very, very glad that we all came here and we're being a part. So it's very nice. Thank you.
मिस्टी, हम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे इस तरह की एग्जीबिशन हम इन फ्यूचर में आपको भी कभी देखेंगे?
I think I'll have to learn about abstract art first, but then from her paintings, what I could find out is, you know, there's something very unfathomable, some unfathomable beauty in her paintings, and, you know, like I'm extremely, I'm overwhelmed actually. I don't have words to describe what I'm seeing today. But मेरी पेंटिंग की एग्जीबिशन ये कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया?
Okay, after that, I'm going on a great grand musty. So tell us about how was the experience? Shooting is, I think, started. So tell us about.
We have just completed the second schedule, so everything is going superb. It's going great, and I think I'm really glad that after somebody like Subhash Ghai, I had the opportunity to work with another legendary director as Inder Kumar. So it's obviously I feel blessed, and we have just started. We are just about to start the third schedule, so I'm really excited about it. But what I'm doing it is something that we'll come to know after a few days.
How was the experience with Vivek Oberoi?
All the three guys are superb, I think, and I think it's again a learning experience being able to work with actors like Vivek and Ritesh and everybody. So that's it.
Okay. Rob, sir, पहले introduce करना चाहेंगे आप अपने आप को. First, you introduce yourself.
Hi, I am Sandeep Shah. I am Krupa's husband.
Yeah. And कृपा ने हमने देखा बहुत ही अच्छी different types की पेंटिंग की है. मिष्टी ने बहुत ही लाइक की पेंटिंग. क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप इसके बारे में?
Yeah, we can see her hard work right now, and the success is here. She is doing her first solo show, and I wish her a very good success in her life, with my support and without my support also.
Also, Mishti is here. What do you say about it? क्या feel करते हैं आप यहाँ पर मिष्टी यहाँ पर है?
Yeah, we feel happy and we feel it good that she is here.
Thank you.
जवाब दो आप.
Okay, hi sir. क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप लोग आज की शाम के बारे में? कृपा की पेंटिंग के बारे में स्पेसिफिक.
Painting was very good, very excellent. मेरी डॉटर इन लो वेरी कंसंट्रेशन है इन पे, और सब जो पेंटिंग है ना वो कुछ में कुछ सबका मीनिंग है, कुछ में कुछ सबका मीनिंग है. वो आप इनमें बाद में मिलना वो बताइए, उनको मेरे को आइडिया नहीं है.
Sure, sir. What do you say about
पेंटिंग बहुत अच्छा है. पेंटिंग के अंदर पावर है, और कलर के साथ जो उसका पावर है तो देखने से अंदर जैसे उंडे जाते हैं तो ओम का जो विज़न है वो दिखता है. साइलेंट जोन में उसके लिए बैठना पड़ता है, डेड एरिया में, तो वही उसका अंदर जो ब्यूटी है मालूम पड़ती है.
Thank you. Thank you.
What was your idea?
One thing in my mind is that I am making something, but I have to use my how I can use my now in this what I can do is peace, prosperity, prestige, synchronizing with the view means the person whose life is way super, lot of space in gold, and red color is so without that a person cannot that gives life to a person. And seeing to it I have finished my eating twice, as I told you before, and without a drop not even fraction is born. Not even a living in is born. The drop itself in our life is so important that people have forgotten. So to put them back in focus, to put them back in frame, I have created this whole because the drop coming right from the tree. God has created us, and we need to do as God wants us to. Or you can see a shift doing thunder right above the mountains. We must have seen Bahubali right now. Something really connected to the movie.